Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm here today to show you some paintings. I have a few things to show you, and they are from Urbestdeals. It's been a while since I've worked with Urbestdeals. I don't know, we fell off the radar from each other or something, but anyhow, I have a few things here to show you, so let's get into them and let's see what we have, all right? Everything's really pretty. It's pretty, yeah. So let's start out with a special drill. All of their kits come with this toolkit. Everything you'll need to diamond paint right there, your wax, your boat, your pen. And then let's start right out with a special drill. Why not? Let me zoom you in a little bit. You're kind of far away. So I just picked one of these florals. There's several of them. They're like a floral and a vase, different types of flowers, different colors. And I thought, oh, why not? Let's try one. So all of this here, the brown does not get any drills. That's just printed there. And then around the back is not print, or is not drilled either, just print. And then we have this white border. But let's look up close. Look at all the special drills. And that's why I picked this one, because look at all of these special drills. All these 5s and 4s and 6s are all going to be larger drills. There's only 6 different drills, so 6 different types, colors and shapes. But I thought it was going to be really pretty. Let's look at them and see what we get. Yeah. Oh, those are pretty. Yeah, we got some pretty stuff. Okay. Let's check it out. All right. Let's do rhinestones first. That's what I like to do. I always do my rhinestones first. All right. Here's our rhinestones. So we have clear, a yellow, and a green. That is it for the rhinestones. Clear, yellow, and green. So all of the green leaves are going to get the green. Number 1 is going to be the vase, and there's a little bit peppered through here. And then 2 is going to be the yellow, and you can kind of tell where there's some yellow patches on there. That's where the yellow will go. Look at these colors. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is a cobalt blue faceted teardrop. Those are gorgeous. Wow. So that's going to be all of these 4s. That's going to be beautiful. Then we have some purple marquise. And that's going to be some of the other flowers. And then the other flowers will get the orange. How pretty, right? Like I said, lots of pretty special drills make up those flowers. It's going to be gorgeous. All right. Let's put that one away. Let's see what we have next. Well, we haven't done one in a while. Okay? And Valentine's is coming. I couldn't resist, right? It's a gnome. Well, 2 gnomes, actually. Look at, he's like, all right, cool, yeah. And so there's the boy gnome and the girl gnome. And it's very faint, and it's hard to tell without having drills on it. But this says love. This is L-O-V-E. So it's like a, I don't know, little pyramid type thing in between them that says love. And look at, there's a heart arrow coming through there, right? Cute. It's just a little 30 by 30, but I'll tell you what, this little 30 by 30 has got 35 colors. That is a lot of colors for one of these small paintings. Wow, that one really surprised me. I was expecting 22, 24. I mean, the whole background is confetti. Look, we got H, E, 2, G, question mark. That's all confetti, right? So it's cute, super, super cute, right? Our 2 little love gnomes, our love gnomes. Do you want to see all the colors? I could take them out, but I mean, it's blue. I mean, we got blue, purples, pinks, white, peaches, more purple, more pink, a little bit of gray right there. I mean, I think that's just for like their hair has some gray in it, but yeah, let's not open them all. But I like how they're packaged. Look, it's got the number, it's got the kit number, it's got the size on there. Cool. The DMC codes are not on here, but they do have DMC codes on their legend. And you got 2 legends. Even on this little small painting, you've got a legend on both sides. So I like it. It's super cute. Love it. All right. Think I could squeeze that one in February? All right. Then we have this one. And this is gorgeous. Now I got to zoom you out for that because it's a bigger one. This is a 40 by 50. I'm certain you have seen a lot of these purple and pink just houses, and I don't know. I think these are AI generated. I think. Not certain, but they're very unique. They're everywhere now. And I thought, oh, let's get one. Now, as I'm looking at this, I'm not certain what this is about. See the lines here? I don't know why it has that, other than it was printed. It was that way in the image, too. You can see those lines there. I don't know why it has those. That's interesting. I don't know. Anyhow, lots and lots of purples and pinks. And of course, we get all these flowers. There's just flowers everywhere and bushes, and there's always like a little house in them. You know, they're kind of cool. I believe they're AI generated images. So that's my thought. And they're just popping up in all kinds of colors now. Pinks, purples, blues, greens. There's white ones. They have flowers, roses, all kinds of stuff. But this is one I picked out. I'm not crazy about this. I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know if that is something that you could fix or what, but anyhow, it has 22 colors. So see, look at that. That little tiny painting had 35, and this larger one has 22. Of course, this is just mostly purples and pinks, and look at how the drills come. Gotta love how they packaged the drills, right? Gotta love that. So, I mean, I told you, purples and pinks. Look at all those purples. Wow, look at all of them. We'll look at a couple. Why not? We got a minute. You're not going anywhere, are you? We'll look at a few. It'll be very interesting to see how this turns out. I'm certain that this is going to turn out, like if you look at the symbols here, maybe it's just the printing on the background. I don't know. I really don't. It would be interesting to just see if that turns out with those lines like that, but a little bit of green, like an olive green. Here's some dark colors. We do have some grasses and things like that. Just lots and lots of pinks. These are in order. I like that. They're in order. I'm going to mess them up, but, you know. Look at the mulberry colors. Some tans. They're very pretty. And then here's our pink, our purples and pinks. Purple, purple, pink, purple, more purple. Those are so pretty. What's on our bags? Let's look at our bag. Okay, this is number 8, and it's $5.50. It has the size, and it has the kit number, G1132. Love it. I don't know what these are. Oh, that's weight, I bet. That says 5.1. That says 2. I bet you that's something to do with how much is in each bag. That's interesting, right? Yeah. Those are so pretty. Anyhow, that is what I got from Urbestdeals to show you. So, check them out. I will link all these below so you can go check them out for yourself and see if there's something that you like. So, thank you, Urbestdeals. And, you know, he would be fun to do for February. I'm working on a small one for February. It almost looks like there's words up here, too. I don't know what they say, but it looks like there's words. I don't know if they'll pop out. I think that says believe. I don't know. That's interesting. You can't read it in the thumbnail either. I think there might be some more words in here. Maybe they'll pop out when you put drills on that. Kind of cool. All right. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out for a while. I hope you come back later. I'll be here. All right. Talk to you then. Bye, everybody.